Welcome to Breakdowns, everybody. And today we're going to be breaking down
a Keurig Cafe Special Edition.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Right here we have our milk frother.
Wow, it comes with a milk frother? Ready? Oh my goodness.
Wow,
that thing
huge.
is pretty big. Wow. Let's set it up. Whoa. Look at all the different options on that. That's cool. Okay, guys, it's time to hit the box. Yeah, there's a milk frother, and then it goes into the thing. And the water thing is removable. And put it back in there when you want to. And then there's 3 different button settings for the milk frother, if it's a cold, latte, or cappuccino froth. Thanks for watching, guys.